So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your app store and you're going to want to search for PicsArt the app. Once you find PicsArt the app, you're going to want to go ahead and download and open it. Once downloaded and open, you may want to use a picture of yourself on your thumbnail. So go ahead and hit the plus sign, choose the picture that you would want to choose of yourself. Once you have that picture, you're going to go down and you're going to click cutout. Once you click cutout, click on person. Voila. Click save, hit next, and save. Download photo. Now that's in your photos. Now let's go back and create the thumbnail itself. Go to photos, choose the photo you want. We're going to go ahead and do the lightning bolt. Now we have that. Let's get the right ratio so it will fit as a thumbnail. What we're going to want to do is go down to fit, go to ratio, scroll over till you see YouTube, and now adjust the picture to the right size. And then you will click apply. Well, there we go. Now it's time to go ahead and start adding stuff to the thumbnail. Let's go ahead and add our picture. Let's see here. There we go. Now we have that added. Let me go ahead and put that on the corner. Now it's just time to add our text. Let me get that down to size. Once that's down to size, I'm going to go ahead and click off of that. Now I'm going to scroll over, hit text. And since this video is how to create a thumbnail on iPhone, I'm going to go ahead and type that in. Now I'm going to hit stroke so that way I can do a light border around the letters itself. I like to do mine on about 70 because it gives me just the right amount of thickness that I like for mine. Once I get that in place. All right, now we'll just repeat this process until we have exactly what we want it to say. Now that we've got the thumbnail completed, we'll go ahead and click apply, and then we'll hit next, save, and then download to photos. And that is all that's to it. You've created your very first thumbnail. Congratulations.